What's up, guys? We're here in JPM. We're doing the multi-randoms and the giveaways for the charity group break. I'm just going to do one timestamp. So that timestamp is 11:15. It is 11:15 here in Denver. So first off, we got the playbook. Tom Wilson and Elias Winholm. We're going three times on everything, guys. One, two, and three. Washington wins the booklet. Next, we got the three-spot giveaway. So we got Mike, Adam, Grant, Marty, Chris, and Mike. One, two, three. Chris Ryan wins the Bork and Neely. And guys, this is for everybody. So how this is gonna work. Top four are gonna win. Top is gonna win the Tarasenko. Second's gonna win the Zaka Premier. Third, the Brassard, and the fourth gets the champs lot. Three times. One, two, three. Adam, you get the Tarasenko. M. Bordello, you get the Zaka. Adam, you get the Brassard. And Jeff, you get the champ slot. And guys, there you have it.